This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia.
We made it from the Spitzkoppe, beautiful camp between the high mountain there, off-road into the Omaruru River, out the Omaruru River, which proved to be quite a drive and was wet as well, then into Ugab, beautiful little dusty town, towards the Brandberge, down into the Ugab River, and all the way through the Ugab River on a little detour through the swampy and out to our camp. Now we have the choice either going down to the coast, going to Swakopmund, going to Mesem Crater, or even making it back to Windhoek, but that would be quite a rush.
We opted for Swakopmund because it gave us another day of off-road or beach driving. Two of our friends from yesterday evening, perhaps. We paced these guys for a while, since we knew that they would probably be the last elephants that we would cross on this Namibia off-road adventure. They didn't seem to mind our presence as long as we kept our distance. Naturally, we had to stop at the main attraction along this barren stretch of coast. Jerkbait. Hobby that I don't understand. We spent that night and the next day relaxing in Swakopmund, and then on the 24th day, we returned to Windhoek by boring highway. Ben then left Namibia, and I hung around for another week to catch up on the local sites and history. This was a 23-day off-road four-wheel drive adventure in remote places with wildlife in the harshest of environments, surreal landscapes, and the most memorable people. It was a real-world adventure indeed. Bye-bye Namibia.